We need graph, that's it.
Okay.
Only single
Oh,
page we need it. Okay,
yes,
Pomti, then Sadika. Thanks
Hello,
for
sir.
joining. Hello. So are
Hello,
you
sir.
hello? So are you ready with your graph paper? All of you? Shahadat, you also ready with the graph paper? Hello.
Yes, sir, I have.
Yes. So I'm
Yes,
showing
sir.
you the first. We will go through the question, huh? Then we will try to understand the given information. Which one is dependent? Which one is independent? And we will try to find the range. What is we will observe what is the range given in the dependent and independent variables so that we can get the scaling in the graph paper properly. Okay, that is our main task in graph paper. It is the half of the graph paper or the 50% of the graph paper if you can do the scaling, otherwise your graph will not be good. Is it clear? So first we read the question.
Okay, sir.
Here is the question. Shahadat, can you read the question?
Um, sir, sir, which one? Question number 1.
Yes, yes. Today we will do
Uh, uh,
question number
okay,
1.
sir. A motorcycle passes a lamp post. Every second, its distance for the post is measured. Time in seconds: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Distance in meter. For 0, there is 0. For 1, there is 3. For 2, there is 10 meter per second. For 3, is 22 meter per second. For 4 second, it's 34 meter. For 5 second, is 46 meter. For 6 seconds, it's 54 meter. For 7 second, it's 56 meter. For 8 second, it's 56. And for 9 second, it's 56.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Number A,
Yeah.
plot a distance time graph.
Yes. So we
Sir.
have to. Yes. Tamid Shiraji.
Yes,
Tamid
sir.
Shiraji, are you ready with graph paper?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Wasif. Hello, Wasif.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Good afternoon. Now.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
No problem. Now look here. We are going to draw the graph. You are ready with the graph paper, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
the given values, you see time is given from 0 to 9 and distance is given from 0 to 56. Okay, so in your graph paper you should plot these points in a way so that maximum part of your graph paper is covered. Is it clear?
Okay,
Like
sir.
the graph paper you are having, whatever the graph paper it is, you should
Sir, sir, we
the,
sent you the yesterday's assignment.
yes, I also gave you the reply. Did you get?
Oh, okay, sir. I will check.
Okay, check it. I always
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
give
I
Thank you,
got,
reply.
sir.
sir.
I got.
Yes, yes. Whenever you are sending me any email, if I see it, then I always give you the reply there and there. Okay? So
Okay,
check it
sir.
there. So look here, we are going to plot the distance time graph and we understand that time is independent. Time will be in x-axis and distance will be in y-axis, right? Isn't it? Hello.
Yes, Yes, sir. sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So we are going to have this. Our points are there, our values are there. We are going to draw the graph paper and I drew it. Today morning I drew it for you to show you how to draw the graph. Look here. I I bought one graph paper.
Yes, sir. I am doing it the same way. Yes, sir. I'm doing it the same way.
Wait. You are really a good student, serious student. Thank you so much. And I hope you will not miss a single class in future. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now look here. We have first thing that time will be in x-axis and distance will be in y-axis, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
And this file already uploaded in your Google Classroom. In today's class link posting, I uploaded it also there. Okay, you can get it over there. Now look what I did later on. We got uh, this graph paper we can draw in.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, should we do it in inchy?
Okay, listen. Uh, it's not necessary to draw an inch or centimeter or anything else.
Sir,
You
in the graph
get,
paper,
listen, you
yes,
got
sir. In your graph paper, it.
just let me say whatever the graph paper you are getting, if it is in inch or if it is in centimeter, no problem. What is our task? I'm giving you the description. Then you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. So this graph paper after getting, I checked that
Sir, I have the
how,
same graph paper.
yeah,
The
I
five,
checked.
five, five.
Listen. I checked that my reading. First, I checked my reading. I have here for time and distance. I have the time from 0 to 9, right?
Yeah.
Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
And I have the distance from 0 to 56.
56.
So we can think this one as 0 to 60, right?
Yeah.
Isn't it? So the range is from 0 to 60. We can consider that one. And other one is very easy, 0 to 9. Now, here we have the graph paper. When I took the graph paper, then I saw this part. I have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 9 seconds. If I plot here, time, then it will not match, right? That's why
Yeah.
I took the graph paper in landscape form. Okay, not in the
Yes, sir.
portrait form. I took the graph paper in landscape form so that my 9 seconds is coming in the x-axis easily, right? Because in the this side we are getting 10 squares, big squares, right? So easily I can
Right.
take from 0 to 9 seconds. And the other side, uh, if I take 60 seconds, it is also covering the maximum part of the graph, isn't it? Hello.
Sir.
So
Yes,
while you
sir.
are drawing graph, it is a must that your plotting or the points you are getting, the readings you got, those should cover more than half of the graph, at least more than half of the graph. Is it clear? This is first thing. That way you have to take the scaling. Scaling means time scale and distance scale. This is called scaling. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now it is easy
Sir,
for, yes.
is this speed accelerating?
Just wait, huh? Saleha, you joined late. Why you are joining late? And it is happening frequently. Saleha,
Yes, sir.
try to join in time, huh? Because we had lots of discussions. You missed them. Now you are in the middle, you are talking. You should raise your hand, huh? Before talking. Okay, now look. Here we have distance 60,
Sir,
right? Yes, tell me.
sir, but my graph paper is bigger than yours.
No problem, no problem. I told you if it
And
is,
the boxes are smaller.
yes, no problem. If your one is bigger, then you can take your one that way, no problem. But there is one condition that your plotting or your point should cover more than half of the graph, okay? In
Yes, sir.
x-axis and
Sir,
y-axis.
how is that possible? Because the boxes in my graph paper are really small.
Okay, can you send me the picture of your graph paper in the messenger group? Then I can see.
Okay, sir.
Send me, then I can understand. Send it quickly, huh? Now, what I was saying, I'm continuing from that discussion, whatever we discussed till now. Look, we have here from 0 to 60, right? And in the x-axis, we have 0 to 9. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So, from our given values, we will check the first one. The time is 0, distance is 0, right? So
Yes, sir.
here at the beginning we have time is 0, distance is 0. So I took here a small point. You look, and outside the small point I gave one circle, right? So that we can see the points easily. We can identify the points easily. Is it clear? The blob inside the
Yes, sir.
circle, it is very small. If you are giving bigger blob, that is also wrong. Okay, you will lose marks. Okay, the blob should be very small. It should not be more than half of the small square. Okay, Saleha. Hello, Saleha. Saleha,
Yes, sir.
are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Fardin, Fardin,
Yes, sir.
is it first time you are joining in physics class?
No, sir. Second time.
Second time. So is it the last time, or you will join
No,
more?
sir. I will join
Okay, regularly or irregularly?
regularly.
Inshallah. Say inshallah. Okay.
Inshallah.
Okay, look here. The second point we got there, for time is 1 second, distance is 3. So we again got this point. Time is 1 second, then distance is 3. Okay,
Sir,
1, 2, 3. Who?
sir,
Who?
one, one block represents one.
Yes. Listen, for this one, distance we are having one scaling, and for time there is another scaling. That means for time the big square is 1. For distance smallest square is 1. Is it clear? Saleha,
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Saleha,
sir.
you got it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you check it. For time we are having the biggest square, it is 1, and for the distance the smallest square is 1, because 0 to 10 here, then 10 small squares.
In the group.
Okay, I'm checking, wait.
So my one is also like.
No problem, whatever the graph is, no problem. If your graph is covering more than half of the the graph scale, that is fine. So no problem, you can draw nicely with this one. So I can see here for the, you did not give the whole graph, you gave part of the graph. Hey
No,
Punti,
sir.
you give the whole graph.
Sir, I did the graph and
Sir.
then I erased it again because I was confused.
You gave half
Sir.
of the graph, I can't see the whole graph here.
Sir,
So that I
my
can
graph
check.
is,
Yeah,
sir,
yes, yes.
so my graph is also the same, but it is divided into the distance is divided into
Sir,
5,
how about I
10,
do this
15,
graph
20,
this
25.
one?
Okay, now I am explaining, you try to understand it. Later on you do your one, try your one. From your one I will answer you. Okay, Ponti, hello. You use your own idea, no problem. Okay, but the principle is you should cover more than half of the graph. If you are drawing the graph in a corner, a small place, then it is not accepted. You should cover the graph more than half of the graph, okay, in both the axes, y and x, so
Sir,
that we can
sir, should we, sir,
yeah,
should we write it in vertically or
no
horizontally?
problem, no problem. It depends on the values you are getting. If you think that the horizontal one is, that means landscape one is working better, then you take that one.
Sir.
If you think that the vertical one, the portrait one is working better, you take that one. That's not a problem. Is it clear?
Sir.
Taleha, you got your answer.
Yes, sir.
Is that
Now Adit, you asked anything?
sir? Sir, I can understand the stop or
What you don't
sir.
understand?
sir উপর লেখা আছে কি
Okay, I will
বুঝছি না।
make you understand. That is another part. Question one, part B, we will discuss that one. We are now just plotting the
7
points.
to 35.
Oh, my boy, wait, patience. First, plot the points.
Sir, done. Sir, my one is done. It is
Yeah.
Sir, my
same
one
to
is
same
also
like
done.
yours.
Adit, no hurry, no hurry. Try
Done.
to understand it first, then you do. Don't do it now. Just check that how I am going. One, for 1 second it is 3. For 2 seconds it is 10. For 3 seconds it is 12, right? Then 4
Sir,
20.
seconds,
22.
is it 22? Okay, 22, very good. Then for 4 seconds, how much it is? 55.
Sir,
Yeah,
my graph has only 30.
your graph is only,
So it has only 30 blocks.
so what is the problem?
But sir, here is 56, 56.
So you make your
54.
graph 60, 31 you
Sir,
make it
how?
60. You take for each of them you take 20, then it will become 20, 40, then 60, this way. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Life is very simple. Why you are not taking this? Like if you are getting here 12 or 15 or 20, no problem, you just check, you make it double, you make it half, this way it will come. Okay, make it 4 times, make it 5 times, this way it will come. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what I was saying, for 4 seconds what is the value? 34. Is it 34?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 34.
And then
34.
for 5 seconds how much it is?
So for 5 seconds, it is
Um,
40.
46 maybe.
46.
Yes, sir. 46. 46.
46.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for 6
46.
seconds it is how much?
Sir, it is 54.
Sir, 60, sir, 54, 54.
Yes, 54.
54. Then for 7 seconds,
56.
56.
54.
For 8 seconds,
56.
Sir,
56. Then for 9 seconds,
sir, 56. 9 seconds is
56.
56.
So
56.
all are 56.
56.
Yeah, time is going. Yeah, see, Adit, time is
Yes, sir.
going, but the distance is same, right? 56, 56, 56. So it is stopped, right?
Yes,
Adit?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So here we are getting
এটা কি
stopped.
এত জোরে কথা বলছো?
Yeah, so it is stopped. Then stopped from where? From 7 to 9 seconds. I wrote in bracket 7 to 9 seconds. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are going to next question. They told us to plot the graph. Look, plot a distance time graph. When we got the points, I found that here this one is 0, then we are getting 3, then this one is 10, right? That means with
Yes, sir.
time my distance is increasing. For each of the second the distance is increasing. That means we are having here curved line that is showing us acceleration, right? Is it clear? If we are getting this curved line for distance time graph, this is acceleration, right? Can you remember the shape of the graphs? Can you remember the shape of the graphs? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you check your notes, then distance time graph, it is curved line, steeper curved line going upwards. This is showing acceleration, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And after that, yeah, Saleha,
Sir, should we give the picture of our graph when we finish it
no, not now, not now. I will tell you once you are
after
done.
class?
We are finishing the discussion, then you give me, not now. Okay, then from 2 seconds, you see, from 2 seconds to 3 seconds, the distance covered 12, right? Here it was 10, now it is 22. So how much distance covered? 12 meter, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
10 meter to 22, that means 12 meter. Then again, you see, from 3 to 4 seconds, you are getting from
Third.
22 to 34, again 12, right? From
Yes, sir.
22, 34. 34 minus 22, how much? 12. So
12.
again we are getting 12 meter for 1 second. Then again you see, from 4 to 5 seconds, from 34 to 46, right?
Again 12.
Again 12. So for these 3 seconds,
12 meter per second.
yeah, always the speed is constant, right? The speed is 12 meter per second for 2 to 5 seconds, isn't it? That one we said steady speed. From 2 second to 5 second, it is steady speed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
From 0 to 2 second, it is acceleration. From 2 second to 5 seconds, it is steady speed. Someone is writing constant speed, someone is writing same speed. Your answer is correct, no problem. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we have another part. Look, after 5 seconds, the distance is increasing, but the distance covered how much? From 46 to how much it is? 54, right? isn't it? 46 to how much? 54.
54.
54.
So how much distance covered? 8 meter, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
this second, the motorcycle is going with 8 meter per second speed. So it is decreasing speed, right? The speed was before 12 meter per second. Now it is 8 meter per second. The speed is decreasing, right?
Sir.
Isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
again,
Yes, sir.
from 6 second to 7 second, you see only 2 meters, right? 54
Yes, sir.
to 54 to
56.
56. So it is only 2 meter. That means the speed is now only 2 meter per second. Again, we are getting the less speed than before. So here we are saying it is retardation, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It is retardation from 5 to 7 seconds. So done this part. Now at the
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
now at last we have for 7 seconds, 8 seconds, 9 seconds, for all these 3 seconds we have same distance, right? 56. So what does it mean? If the distance is same, that means the object is stationary, right?
Yes, sir.
Object is at rest. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir.
So you understood the graph, all of you.
Yes.
Now you have any questions, you can ask me. From this graph, you have any questions, you can ask
No,
me.
sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
Yes, yes, please.
what is the study speed?
Steady,
Study speed.
steady.
Steady.
Steady
Study.
speed means constant speed,
Constant
same
speed.
speed. Write it. Write it in your copy. Saleha, many times we told in class. Steady speed means constant
Sir,
speed.
you show a steady speed with an arrow. I didn't understand that one.
Okay. Steady speed means speed is same.
Yes,
That
sir.
means from, look, I gave here in bracket. Here in bracket, what is written, Saleha?
2
2
to
to,
5 seconds.
yes, very good. So from 2 second to 5 second, what we are getting? Straight line, right? Are we
Yes,
getting
sir.
straight line? So distance time graph, we are getting steeper straight line that is giving us steady speed or constant speed or same speed. And we discussed it already that for each second we are going 12 meter. From 2 to 3 seconds we are getting 12 meter. Then from 3 to 4 again 12 meter. Then 4 to 5 seconds again 12 meter. Do you understand now, Saleha?
Yes, sir.
So for
Yes.
each of the second, the distance is 12 meter. That means the steady speed is 12 meter per second. Any more questions? Thank you,
Yes,
Saleha, for
sir.
your question. Anyone, please? If you have
No,
any
sir. No more
questions, you
questions.
ask me. I like
No, sir.
questioning.
No more question.
Okay, so if you are done, then we will go to other part of the questions.
Okay,
So
sir.
1A is done, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So 1B is also done because they said us to mark
Yes,
on
sir.
your graph
Plot. Yes, sir.
sections,
Mark on the
Plot.
graph.
yeah, where the motorcycle has acceleration, is traveling at a steady speed,
Okay.
has retardation, is stopped. This is also done, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we will do other part. 1C. Can you read this?
How
Saleha.
far how far does the motorcycle travel in the first 7 seconds?
Yeah. So how far does the motorcycle travel in the first 7 seconds? We go to the graph. First 7 seconds till here, right?
Yes, sir.
So you check
Yes,
it
sir.
is going to 56, right?
Yes, sir.
So you write it that first 7 seconds, it goes how much?
50, 56
Sir,
56,
seconds.
56.
56 what?
56 meter per second. Sorry,
56
seconds,
meter,
seconds.
56
Oh,
meter. How far?
oh, meter.
How far? How far means distance, right?
Yes, sir. 56 minutes.
56 meter.
Sir,
Don't mess up. Don't mix up. Yeah. Say
sir, did
yes.
you do number 1B?
Number 1B we already labeled here, right, Saleha?
Oh, yes, sir.
Acceleration, steady speed, retardation, stop, both we discussed together. Is it clear
Yes,
now?
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
now you found C first part, then second part. They are saying what is average speed over this period. That means for this 7 seconds, what is the average speed? What is the formula for it?
Please.
Huh?
Distance
What is the formula for average
Distance over
speed?
time.
So,
by time taken.
so what is your distance here?
56 by 7.
56 by 7. Then what is the answer?
8 meter per
8.
second.
Can you see the solution here? Question 1C.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
showing also the solution. 56 meter by 7. You should do this way. Okay. Then you can remember everything easily. Do the formula. Don't only write the answer. Huh? Write the formula, then you put the values. Okay. Then next
Okay,
one.
sir.
Next one. Sadika.
How long?
Where is Sadika?
Sir, here.
Yes. Can you read part D?
How long does it take the motorcycle to travel from 10 meter to 46 meter? What distance
So,
does it cover? What is its average speed over this distance?
okay. So from 10 meter to 10 meter to how many meters?
46.
46, right?
46.
So we check it here in the graph, or we can check
Yes,
it in the
sir.
table, no problem. Now look here, 10 to 46, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
10 it was 2 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
And for
Yes,
46
sir.
it was 5 seconds. So from
5 seconds.
2 to 5 seconds,
3,
it is 3 seconds, right?
3
Yeah.
seconds. Yes, sir.
From 2 seconds to 5 seconds, you are taking 3 seconds. So right here,
3
3
seconds.
seconds. Then next one, they are saying, what distance does it cover? You understand it, right? 46 minus 10. How much?
Minus 10. The
Yeah,
36.
36 meter. The distance is 36. Then,
36 meter.
yeah, so can you find
And the
also the
second is
average
3
speed?
seconds.
Can you find the average
Yes,
speed?
sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
what is the
sir.
average speed?
12.
Yeah, did I write it? Did I write
Yes,
the
sir.
solution? So
Yes,
how
sir.
to do the average speed? I showed you also. Average speed is V
Yes,
equals D by T.
distance by time.
Yes,
Distance divided by
36
time.
meter by 3 seconds. It is 12 meter per second. Is it
12
clear?
kilometers. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you all are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I give you the similar question, you can solve, right? You
Yes,
can
sir.
do it. Can you do it, all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
So here we have Shahriar also. Hassan Mohammad Shahriar.
Sir,
Did you
can you please
understand?
show me the graph?
it's a,
Sir,
Hassan, did you understand?
it,
Sir, I did understand.
Did you understand, Hassan?
sir, can you please show me the graph?
Yes, I'm showing you the graph. Are you
Yes,
seeing
I
the graph? Are you seeing the graph?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, this graph is available in Google Classroom also. Is it clear?
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Yes, you are
sir.
most
Hi.
welcome. Look,
So,
look, I I took this graph from here. It is in Google Classroom. Today I uploaded.
Yes, sir, I saw.
Yes, it is there. So don't worry, it's there. You can download and see it 100 times. And the recording is there. Who joined late? For the network problem or any other issues, please go through the recording. You can understand everything, hopefully.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Inshallah.
sir. Done, sir.
Okay. So when is our
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
test? When is our test?
Sir, 2027.
It is on
I
Sunday,
think so.
right?
2027.
It is
Yes,
on
sir.
Sunday, right? So
Yes, sir, on
tomorrow,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sunday.
Yes, sir.
so tomorrow we will finish the other part of the
Sir,
Yes,
what is
sir.
the syllabus?
syllabus is 2.01, 2.02.
And 2.02.
We are done with these two, right?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Okay, so question 1 and 2 both are done. Now we have only question 3 and 4 left.
3 and 4.
The physics in 27.
Yes, yes. We
27.
already told it in the
Chemistry or
group.
27. I have.
Yeah, we already
Written.
told it in the group. Also, we told it in the Google Classroom. Okay,
Okay, sir.
is it clear? So
Okay, sir.
Sir, chapter, sir.
2.01, 2.02. This is
Okay, sir.
2.02. This is
Physics.
2.01.
Okay, sir.
I only got few assignments, only 5 assignments. What about others? When I'll get the other assignments? Hello, you submit the assignment by today, okay? They who missed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
Bye bye, sir. Allah Hafiz.
bye bye, sir.
Bye bye, sir.